Now that your wall panels have been pre-drilled, it's time to install them along your wall. First, confirm that you have the correct wall panels for the wall surface you're working on. Refer to the sheet metal trim package list located in your ship list. This page will indicate what panels and lengths are to be used at each surface of your building. Worldwide Steel typically bundles panels together for each surface when you're building, but it's a good idea to verify you have the correct panels before pre-drilling and installing. Worldwide Steel's typical wall panel has a total of 5 high ribs and 8 smaller intermediate ribs. The high ribs are spaced 9 inches apart. The panel is designed to lap and has a 36-inch coverage. This is the dimension from the center of the first high rib to the center of the last high rib. One side of your panel is referred to as the overlap edge, which is the side shown here. The other side is referred to as the side lap edge, shown here. When installing your panels, you may start from either the left or the right side of your wall, working your way along the distance of your wall surface. In our example, our side wall has no openings, and we're starting from the right side and working to the left. Therefore, the overlap edge of our panels will be positioned on the right side when installing. If you elect to install from left to right, then your overlap edge will be positioned on the left side when installing. Worldwide Steel recommends installing foam closure strips along your base trim to seal out moisture and pests. When you install your strips, make sure it aligns with your planned panel layout so that the high rib of the foam strip rests within the high rib of the panel. Place your first wall panel into position, ensuring that the right edge of your panel lines up with the right corner of your sidewall. If you pre-drilled your panels correctly, then your holes should line up perfectly with your girts. Check to ensure that your panel is plumb before securing with painted sheet metal screws along the base girt. Follow with the top row, and finally the lap seam row as demonstrated here. When placing your second panel, overlap the first panel as shown before securing with screws. Continue this process until all sidewall panels have been installed. When you reach the end of the wall, you may need to trim your final panel so that it ends flush with the corner. Measure the distance. Mark your panel. And cut. Place your final panel and secure in place. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.